Hi everyone, welcome to VR Computer Education. This is Rakesh. So in the last class, we have converted decimal fractions to binary, octal, hexadecimal. And today class also will continue with fractional conversions with binary fractional conversions. So in the last class decimal fractional conversions and today class binary fractional conversions. So binary fraction to decimal, binary fractional to octal, binary fractional to hexadecimal conversions. So let us see one by one conversions. So binary fraction conversions, so that is binary fractional conversions. So let us take one binary number and we'll convert that number to decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So let us take one binary number and that number can be 11.11. This is binary number I have taken. First we will convert this binary number to decimal. Next we will convert to octal. Next we will convert to hexadecimal. So now how to convert this to decimal? So here observe carefully. First I'll write number like this 11.11. Now same process, first we have to convert this number to decimal. Next we will convert this number to decimal. Now first I'll write this number like this 1 1. Now binary to decimal conversion, so like this we'll write, that is 1 into 2 power 0 and next 1 into 2 power 1. See, integer part you have to start from like this and fractional part you have to start from here, from this number. See, I have started this 1 into 1 2 power 0 and this 1 into 2 power 1. Now I'll calculate this. We'll write 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So 1 into 2, 1 into 2 power 1, that is 2. Here you will get 2 plus anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 will get 1 and that is 3. Next, this number fractional part also, that is 1 1. But at fractional part you have to start from here, that is 1 into 2 power minus 1. Next this 1 into 2 power minus 2. Now write this one 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2. Now this 1 into 2 power minus 1, how we can write? So we have one formula. So the formula is a power minus n equals to 1 by a power n. So here 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 power 1, and that is equals to 1 by 2. So here 2 power minus 1 value is 1 by 2. So you can write here 1 into 1 by 2 plus again 1 into what is this value, 2 power minus 2. So here 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2. So 1 by 2 power 2. So what is 2 power 2 value? So 2 power 2 value, that is 4. So we'll get 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Now what is 1 by 2 value? What will be the 1 by 2 value? How we need to calculate? So 1 by 2 can calculate like this, 2 divided by 1. So 2 zeros are 0 you will get, and 1 as remainder. I'll keep a point here and put 0. So 2 fives are 10. So 0. So its value is 1 into 0.5 plus. In the same way we'll calculate this one. What we'll get? We'll calculate here only. So we'll write 4 1. 4 zeros are 0. Here 1. Here I'll keep point. I'll put 0. Next 4 twos are 8 you'll get. So you'll get 2. So again I can keep 0. Next 4 fives are 20, that is 0. And what is the value? That is 1 into 0.25. So now 1 into 0.5, 0.5 plus 1 into 0.25, 0.25. And what is 0.5 plus 0.25? That is 0.75. So this is the value. Now therefore 1.11 base to binary number equivalent decimal number, how much? 3.75. So this is the value. So let us take another the same way we'll convert this number into octal. First we have converted binary to decimal. Next we'll convert the same number to octal. So how to convert to octal? Same. What is the number? I'll write again. 1.11 binary number. Now we'll convert it to octal. So how? So binary number to octal conversion. Now two-step conversion we have to do. So first step, convert given binary number. So convert binary to decimal. So just now we have converted, and what is that value we got? 3.75. Next, what is step 2? Convert obtained decimal number to octal. So convert obtained obtained decimal to octal. See, just now we have calculated decimal number. So once again, no need of calculation. So already we know the number, that is 3.75. So this is what obtained decimal number, and we'll convert that obtained decimal number to octal. So first I will write that number, that is 3.75. This is decimal. Now convert it to octal. So decimal to octal. So you can write 3 plus 0.75, and this 3 can do LCM with 8. So 8 zeros are 0, will get 3. Next, what is the value left? So 0 is no value in the octal, so you can write 3. And next, this 0.75 can be multiplied with 8. So what we'll get? So what we'll get here, 0.75 into 8, so that is 6.00. So here integer part 6 we'll write, and the fractional part we got 0, means 0.00 into 8, anyway it will be 0. So like this we'll write. So now 1.11 binary value to octal conversion, what is the value? 3.6, like this. And the same number will convert into hexadecimal, and let us see what number we will get. Same number, that is, we'll take 1.11 base 2 to hexadecimal number. Now same two-step conversion. Step 1, convert to decimal. So already we converted, we got value 3.75, and this is obtained decimal number. So obtained decimal number will convert to hexadecimal. So now I'll write what are the obtained. 3.75 is the decimal number obtained. So this can be written as 3 plus 0.75. So now 3 can be done with LCM. So 16 3 will not go, so 16 zeros are 0, and 3 is the remaining value. So I'll write 3 as it is here. Next, 0.75 into 16, and what we'll get? So we'll get 12.00. So integer part 12 we got, there is no 12 in hexadecimal, so in place of 12 we can write C. And the fractional part we got 0.00 into 0, that is 0. So what we got here? C. So therefore 1.11 base 2 equivalent hexadecimal number, how much? 3. C base 16. So this is the conversion, binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. So let us take one more example and we'll convert to all conversions. So let us take one more decimal number. So that decimal number can be 1011.110 base 2, and this number first will convert into decimal, next to octal, next to hexadecimal. So first we'll convert into decimal. So I'll write this number like this: 1011. So integer part can be calculated like this, means this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and fractional part like this, means 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. So this is 1 into 2 power 0. This is 1 into 2 power 1, and this is 0 into 2 power 2, and this is 1 into 2 power 3. You can write all this: 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So this is 2 power 3 is 8, plus this is 0, plus this is 2, plus, and 1 into 2 power 1, that is 1. So 8, 10, 11. And next we'll get point side. So we'll write that is 1, 1, 0, and this is the calculation: 1 into 2 power minus 1. Next here 1 into 2 power minus 2. Next 0 into 2 power minus 3. And here you can write 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 power minus 3. Now 1 into 2 power minus 1, that is 1 by 2, plus 1 into 2 power minus 2, 1 by 4. Next plus 1 into 2 power minus 3. Sorry, this is 0. I wrote wrong. This is 0. So anyway, this will be 0. So 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 4. That is 0.5 plus 0.25. That is 0.75. So now, therefore, 1011.110 base 2 equivalent decimal number is 11.75. This is decimal conversion. Next, the same number will convert into octal. Same number can be converted into octal. So let us write that number. So 1011.110 is to convert into octal. So to convert, same two-step conversion. First convert into decimal. So already we have converted, we got the value, that is 11.75. And next step 2, what we will do? Convert obtained decimal number to octal. So this is the obtained decimal number, because just now we have converted. So I'll write that number, that is 11.75. Now convert this. So first I can write 11 plus 0.75. So here 11 LCM you can do with 8. So 8 ones are 8 and 3 left. So that is 1 3. Next here 0.75 into 8, that is 6.00. Integer part 6 and fractional part here 0.00 into 8, that is 0, and here we got 6. So therefore 1011.110 binary value equivalent octal number is 13.6. This is the answer. And the same number will convert to hexadecimal. What is the number? We'll write again. That is 1011.110 to hexadecimal. Same direct conversion not possible. So first convert to decimal. So already we converted, we got value, that is 11.75. Next second step, convert decimal to hexadecimal. So what is the decimal number we got? 11.75. Now I can write this one like this, 11 and LCM with 16. So 16 table won't go, so directly can write 16 zeros are 16 and left 11. So there is no 11, so you can write B. Next 0.75 into 16. So you will get 12.00. Integer part 12. So we don't have 12 in hexadecimal representation. So in the place of 12 we will represent 3C. And this fractional part 0.00 into 0, that is 0. So what is the answer? Therefore 1011.110 base 2 equivalent hexadecimal number is B point C. And this is binary conversions. So binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. Thank you.